Okay, this is Miss Amalia again presenting a super easy math concept that you'll understand in 2 minutes. Alright, so the sum of the angles of any triangle, we are on page 8. Okay, the sum of the angles of any triangle is always, does anybody know? Okay, what does sum mean? Add. So, when I add all of the angles of any triangle, it always has to be equal to 180. Well, think about it. 90 degrees, what does 90 degrees look like? Like this. Is this ever going to be a triangle? No. So, the sum of the angles of any triangle, when I add up the 3 angles in the triangle, it has to equal 180. Okay? Right, but when I add them up, it will equal 180. Yes, but the sum of the angles. Okay, so number 1, I have a 60 degree, a 70 degree, and an x. So the theory is if I add 60 plus 70 plus x, it has to equal 180. If I add the angles, it will equal 180. Yeah, all on top. Thank you. Okay, what's 60 plus 70? 130. So 130 plus x equals 180 minus 130 minus 130. X is equal to 50. So that means that this angle is 50 degrees. Hence why you should be learning this in 2 minutes. If you paid attention, you realize that this is pretty easy. Okay, number 2. They gave us 55 degrees. What else did they give us? X. What else did they give us? 90. And all of these 3 angles, remember it's 3 angles, has to equal 180. All right, solve it. And don't shout it out. See, I know, but this will always work. Okay, we're keeping it to ourselves. Subtract again. Borrow. Your answer should be 35 if you... Are we doing this in our head? No. If we do it on paper, we're less likely to make a mistake. So, there is no choice, ladies and gentlemen. Show your work. Okay, number 3. There's 2 x's. Cool.
2x.
2x. Very good. Plus 50 equals 180. You could have also written x plus x, but that's still, when you simplify it, 2x. Minus 50 minus 50. What's 180 minus 50? 130 is equal to 2x. Now what? By? Good. Solve that. What is 130 divided by 2? Good job. So that means that each of these angles is 65 degrees.